In this video, we will discuss about what is essay, types of essays, and how to write a good essay. After that, I'll be giving you an example of essay of my school. So let's start. Essay. An essay is a written composition giving expression to one's personal ideas or opinion on some topic. एक ऐसे एक लिखा हुआ डॉक्यूमेंट है किसी के विचार या उसके मत का किसी विशेष टॉपिक पर. Types of essays. Descriptive essays. Essays which describe some place, person or thing. डिस्क्रिप्टिव एसेस वो एसेस होते हैं जिसमें हम किसी स्थान, व्यक्ति या वस्तु के बारे में बात करते हैं. जैसे इससे ऑन माई स्कूल, ऐसे ऑन महात्मा गांधी. सो सम प्लेस, पर्सन और थिंग्स. ऐसे ऑन ताजमहल. दीज आर ऑल डिस्क्रिप्टिव एसेस. सेकेंड इज नरेटिव एसेस. Essays in which some incident or series of events is described. नरेटिव एसेस ये वो एसेस होते हैं जिसमें हम किसी पर्टिकुलर घटना या बहुत सारी घटनाओं के बारे में लिखते हैं. जैसे कि इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस. थर्ड इज रिफ्लेक्टिव एसेस. एसेस इन विच अ थॉट ऑफ अ पर्सन और इंडिविजुअल ओपिनियन इज डिस्क्राइब्ड. रिफ्लेक्टिव एसेस वो एसेस होते हैं जिसमें किसी व्यक्ति के विचार या उसके मत के बारे में बताया जाता है. Fourth is imaginative essays. Essays in which the writer imagines the feeling or events of someone else and describes it in his own words. Imaginative essays वो essays होते हैं जिसमें कोई व्यक्ति किसी व्यक्ति की फीलिंग या किसी इवेंट के बारे में अपने विचार रखता है, किसी और की फीलिंग्स के बारे में अपने विचार रखता है. Fifth is argumentative essays. Essays in which one may support or oppose ideas strongly. आर्ग्यूमेंटिव एसेस वो एसेस होते हैं जिसमें आप किसी विचार को सपोर्ट करते हैं या फिर उसका विरोध करते हैं. जैसे कि इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग ऐसे ऑन सीए, आप उसके सपोर्ट में या अपोज में लिखते हैं. दैट इज अ आर्ग्यूमेंटिव एसे. नाउ टिप्स. 6 टिप्स ऑन राइटिंग एन इफेक्टिव ऐसे. एक अच्छा ऐसे कैसे लिखा जाए. सबसे पहले पिक अ टॉपिक, किस पर ऐसे लिखना है. सेकंड, प्रिपेयर एन आउटलाइन और डायग्राम ऑफ योर आइडियाज. पहले से सोच लें कि आप किस किस चीज़ के बारे में लिखेंगे और उसका एक डायग्राम बना लें रफ में. राइट द इंट्रोडक्शन, राइट द बॉडी, राइट द conclusion and add a finishing touch. Okay, so now these are the following things must be kept in mind to write a good essay. 1. It must focus on one theme and its development. Irrelevant details should be avoided. Second, it must follow certain order. Ideas should flow naturally and not be arranged haphazardly. Third, essay should not be very long. An essay between 200 to 300 words would be ideal. An essay should reveal personal feelings and opinions. Fifth, revise your essay, correct spellings and grammatical mistakes. Now we will see a essay on my school. I have divided this essay in 3 parts, though it should only be written in paragraphs, but just to make you understand, I'm dividing this essay in 3 parts. The first part is introduction. Though you do not need to put these headings while writing an essay, but this is just, I have done it to explain how an essay is written. So, first part is introduction. The school is such a sweet heaven on earth that prepares the small minds for great tasks. The school provides education to live better and make progress for tomorrow. Not only it provides education, but it is a tool of character building of a nation. The good schools are true assets of a nation. I am blessed to study in such a great school. My school is the best school in our entire city. So that was the introduction. What is school? Now we go to body. I study in one of the best school of our city. My school name is Parvati Prema Jagati Saraswati Vihar. My school has a great history of serving my country. My school has produced many great people for my country. It has a big and beautiful building that looks shiny from far away. I reach at my school at the fixed timing. I come to school with other friends of mine. We happily enter into the school with a great confidence. We take part in school assembly and then we move into our classrooms. As I enter into my classroom, I find quite relaxed. Our class teacher greets us daily and asks about us. He is quite cool and kind man. He entertains us along with teaching his subject. We learn a lot of things like discipline, self help, confidence, and cooperation here. My school has best available facilities like playground, a library, a science hall, and a great computer lab. The library of our school is very big and keeps the books for all the students. We take part in all school activities like singing, dancing, quiz competition, writing competition, tabloids, and other. In fact, it is the result of the hard work done by our teachers. Third part, conclusion. The good schools are the real blessing by God. They serve a nation, they prepare the way for national progress. It is blessing that our country has so many great schools. I feel myself proud of studying here in this school. I hope I will brighten the name of my country and my school. So, this is how an essay should be written. So, this completes our discussion on essay. We will be discussing our next topic in our next video. All the students are advised to go through this topic thoroughly and then revert back if they need any help. Thank you.